I saw you tweeting about Palantir. So obviously they're hitting a new high. There's some activity going on with a potential bromance brewing with the Saudi crown prince and the president. So with 600 billion in U.S. bound capital pledged, do you think this is the start of a real military tech bull cycle?
Kinda. I think first off, like seeing Karp going on that trip with Trump and Elon, I just think that's a massive stamp of validation of like how big Palantir has gotten. Like they become a massive company. Just 2 years ago, a $15 billion company. Now it's 300 billion. You're seeing Karp in rooms with Trump, with the president, Elon, the Saudi prince. So many AI initiatives came to light yesterday. Like you said, $500 billion essentially. Palantir, like valuation is the only hole to really put into why you should own Palantir, and they keep executing. So I think that is it's a valid bear thesis, but when Palantir is at $25, that was the same thesis. It's 7x since, 6x since. Those are the kind of narratives that it's dangerous if you follow, because when things are pricey, there's a reason they're pricey. It's because they have a competitive advantage, a defensible moat, and an early disruptor and a secular growth theme. Like there's a reason why people want to pay up to own that company. And Palantir has been expensive for years, and it is going to continue being expensive. Yes, I think 100 times sales, freaking I don't know if it's that at that level, but I think it's like 80 times maybe. Even then, like it's wild to say. The cheap can always get cheaper, the more expensive can always get more expensive. So like I think eventually it's gonna have to consolidate a bit. I'm not delusional. It's my number one position, so I've cut as much as I can, and I de-risked myself. Like this is all profits. It's still my number one position, and now I'm letting it ride because it's just such a disruptor. And I already did what I needed to de-risk the position, but it keeps going up and up. And I let the winners win. Sure, this might be trapped between $100 and $150 for 4 or 5 years. That might be a reality. That's totally fine. But I do see a $1 trillion company in the making, and I don't know when it hits there, but eventually it's going to. And when you're the operating system of AI with no ceiling yet, because nothing's been identified, it's too early innings of it, you're going to catch a bid, especially when the AI tsunami I continue talking about on the show. They're protected from it. Like God created a bubble around them, and like you're safe from that tsunami. So I think that bubble has a premium, and the market's willing to assign a ridiculous one, but it keeps going up to the right.